Hello dear fans. How to find area and perimeter. The task of finding the perimeter or area of a polygon is not only faced by students in geometry lessons. Sometimes it happens to be solved by an adult as well. Did you have to calculate the required amount of wallpaper for a room? Or maybe you measured the length of the summer cottage to enclose it with a fence? So knowledge of the basics of geometry is sometimes indispensable for the implementation of important projects. Necessary. Pencil, ruler. Instructions. Step 1. The perimeter of a polygon is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides. Measure the lengths of the sides of the polygon with a ruler. Add the resulting values together. This will be the perimeter of the polygon. For example, for a triangle with sides of 7, 3, and 5 centimeters, the perimeter will be 7 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 15 cm. Step 2. The area of a rectangle is equal to the product of its sides. Measure the length and width of the rectangle with a ruler. Multiply the length by the width. This will give you the area of the rectangle. For example, for a rectangle with sides 5 and 6 centimeters, the area is 5 bullet operator 6 is equal to 30 cm superscript 2. Step 3. The area of a parallelogram is equal to the product of its side by the height drawn to that side. Draw the height of the parallelogram. Measure the height and length of the side to which this height is drawn with a ruler. Multiply the values obtained. You will get the area of the parallelogram. For example, for a parallelogram with a side length of 12 centimeters and a height lowered to this side, 4 centimeters long, the area is 12 bullet operator 4 is equal to 48 cm superscript 2. Step 4. The area of a triangle is equal to half the product of its side by the height drawn to that side. Draw the height of the triangle. Measure the height and length of the side to which the height is drawn with a ruler. Multiply the values obtained. Divide the product by 2. You get the area of the triangle. For example, for a triangle with a side of 10 centimeters and a height drawn to this side, 6 centimeters long, the area is 10 plus 6, 2 is equal to 8 cm superscript 2. Step 5. The area of the trapezoid is equal to the product of the half sum of its bases and the height. Draw the height of the trapezoid, measure it. Measure the lengths of the bases of the trapezoid. Add up the lengths of the bases. Divide the resulting sum by 2. Multiply the result by the length of the height. You will get the area of the trapezoid. For example, for a trapezoid with bases of 12 and 16 centimeters and a height of 7 centimeters, the area is 12 plus 16, 2 bullet operator 7 is equal to 98 cm superscript 2. Step 6. To find the area of a polygon with 5 or more sides, divide it into several triangles, find the area of each and add the resulting values together. You will get the area of this polygon. Thanks for watching.